Tear the protective paper sleeve from the top and discard it safely. To activate the cartridge, rotate the knob counterclockwise to the on position until it clicks. Make sure the knob is aligned with the on position. Open the dispenser's front cover and select the 30-day setting. The dispenser is programmed to work for 30 days only for a regular cartridge. The regular cartridge does not work on a 60-day or 90-day setting. Open the battery compartment of the dispenser to insert two AA alkaline batteries. Make sure you only use alkaline batteries. Using the two ribs at the bottom of the cartridge as a guide, push the cartridge firmly into the dispenser unit until it locks into place. The cartridge is now activated. You'll know this because a green light will start flashing continuously on the base of the dispenser, and you will start smelling the fragrance close to the dispenser. After 2 minutes, the green light flashes only every 15 seconds. To eject the empty cartridge, push the button at the bottom of the dispenser. Lift the front cover and remove the empty cartridge. The dispenser must be installed as far away as possible from any air extraction units or from any open doors to prevent the fragrance from getting sucked out. It is best to position the dispenser in the middle or the end of the room or under the sink.